Kasing Voice of the People Party VPP hapok kajingalam jong General Secretary u Dr. AJ Singkon hakan riu terik mentau penaya yang arjar arpulai kelalik ban IT kedor khas show Menteri Rangpa Kejala u Conrad ke sangma ban Kyrpad ye u ban Pynlong no dak special session kenang ba enyo ban yatai halor kapang kabede bat ke job reservation policy.
So we had just come from the party, the Voice of the People Party, to give a letter to the Chief Minister on requesting the Chief Minister to call for a special session to discuss, to deliberate, and also to resolve on this vexed and pertinent issue concerning the job reservation policy, which is a very serious matter. And so from our part, that is what we had taken this first step to request the Chief Minister as the head of the state to do the needful. And then let's see, the next step we will see and what the Chief Minister's decision. So that is the reason why we've come today. One jeng itu jong itu kedai baik halor bagi wan raf juga kasiti kebab kedai snow magnai spokesperson jong itu ke parti kebab ke parti ni rashin ka kerai ka jenglang ka jongi bagi request ya Chief Minister the government bau convene ya ka special session kenapa kini open ya kren halor kanika reservation ke job reservation policy dia batang itahi ba ni nak parti le ekapade nakabanta kaban yatai banya kren halor ni issue kabab kata ha ya kacet penril kecalahi borokwe di tai ya mentahi ginya step by step di kini the first step kabangi le pangi kacing start dengan sarkar ba kan shim karai kabade biang kai bakari banne di yaki programs lagi kijing tu kita hadian pada insekan tipu shopi ki press halor kini
untuk nak yang parti ka approach ni mesti parti political party kerana pengbor yang kini yang sorka berkot dengan special session halor lagi badalah pokoknya pusat nama benar
hadu bentar kadang David kajing ada session dengan parti jom ini kita ki pemilihan keren berkiwai insek baik pada